Today we look at the 2021 Hyundai Palisade, a three-row SUV that's been one of the hottest sellers on the market since it debuted in 2019. This is the Calligraphy edition, which is new for 2021 and is the top-of-the-line model. The exterior is attractive, sporting a large grille with triangles all over it, which is unique to the Calligraphy. The upper running lights and the LED lights sit low. Chrome runs between the wheels down low, while up high, chrome surrounds the side windows. A rear spoiler and dual exhaust finish out the exterior appearance. All Palisade models come with a 3.8-liter V6 and an 8-speed automatic that puts out 291 horses. My tester and all Calligraphy models are all-wheel drive. It's important to note that everything I show you on this vehicle is standard equipment. There are no extra charge options except for a small charge for floor mats. Open the door to the Palisade and you'll see beautiful quilted Napa leather seats and gorgeous door panels with elegant Harman Kardon speaker covers. When you hit the start button, bright colorful gauges come to life that you can configure from the steering wheel. One of the coolest features I've ever seen is when you turn on the left blinker, the speedometer turns into a left side blind spot camera. The right blinker will activate a right side camera that replaces the tachometer. There's also a terrific head-up display. There's a nifty console with the sliding cover, two really cool cup holders, a cell phone charger, and USB port. Another compartment is leather covered and serves as your armrest. Above the console, you'll find buttons for the transmission, the auto hold, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, and you can turn off the start-stop system. There's also a round knob where you can change the drive modes from snow to eco to comfort to sport and finally smart. Smart mode will change between eco, comfort, and sport depending on how you're driving it. At the highest point on the dash is a 10.25 touchscreen that runs everything, including audio, navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. A swipe to the left gives you more apps, including all the settings, a Sounds of Nature app to calm you down, quiet mode that turns the sound off for rear passengers, and finally Passenger Talk, which uses a front microphone so you can talk to the rear seat passengers. They can't talk back. The Palisade is extremely comfortable for the second and third row passengers. The second row captain's chairs are heated and cooled, and they slide up and back, and they also recline. Access to the third row seat is easy thanks to a button on the second row seats that slide them out of the way. The third row seat is quite comfortable and it reclines. As you go to the rear cargo area, Hyundai says it has the fastest rear liftgate in the industry, going up or down in 5 seconds. There is really good cargo area behind the third row, which is power and it folds flat. You can flip the second row down with buttons also. Standard features include parking sensors, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, remote start, rear side window shades, a great rear view camera, and dual power moonroofs. Finally, there's the ultrasonic rear occupant sensor. Once you lock the vehicle, it will remind you on the dash to check for occupants. If there's any movement in the rear area after the doors are locked, the horn will blow, the lights will flash, and you'll get a text immediately. The Palisade rides and drives as good as it looks. It's very quiet inside and it'll tow 5,000 pounds. Fuel economy is rated at 19 city and 24 on the highway. The best thing about Palisade Calligraphy is the price. Total MSRP is $49,070, and based on the competition today, this may be the best value out there. And it comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty and 3 years of free maintenance. Kudos to Hyundai. They took a great SUV, priced it right, and with the Calligraphy edition, they achieved amazing luxury at a bargain price. Thanks for riding along with us today for another CarPro test drive, this week with the new 2021 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy. Now, if you think this might be your dream SUV, click Certified Dealers at CarProUSA.com to find the nearest Hyundai dealer to you.